Good morning, Brad. This is Richard at Tameron Honda. I want to thank you so much for inquiring on our 2017 Honda CR-V EXL in white. I've got that exact vehicle right here, right behind me. Can't wait to show you this amazing vehicle. I actually bought one for my wife not too long ago. She absolutely loves it. And I also want to welcome you in for a VIP appointment and test drive whenever you're available. Please call me at 205-541-2862. Again, my name is Richard, and when you come into Tameron Honda, you're going to love the way you're treated.